What's up guys, back to our channel How to Guide. Today, this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Twitch Rate. So, what you're going to do is, just go to your Twitch, you'll be in this home screen. So, you just go to your profile over here on the right, then go to the channel. Now, what you have to do is, just over here you'll be having the option to click home, about, get your videos and chat. So, just go to the chat. Then you'll be having the screen chat room. So on your right, there's the screen chat. So to use Twitch Rate, what you're gonna do is just on the message box, just type slash and RAID rate and the channel's name. So let me just have a random channel name, okay guys, and just press enter. So at the time it is saying that it does not allow. So what will be the message is, there will be an option to confirm it. So once you confirm it, you'll be rating that person channel streamer. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you use it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews, more content like this. But see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thanks for watching.